Every now and then people ask me, hey Steve, how do you drink your coffee? Do you sweeten it? Do you put cream in it? Do you use, non-dairy? What do you do? So I'm going to clear up the mystery, I guess, and tell you how I drink coffee and how I make it healthy. I will totally admit, I sometimes trade off on creamers, but almond milk and like macadamia milk, it doesn't taste as great as like organic cream. It really doesn't. But I do like nut pods. I don't know if you heard of them. They're non-dairy, but they're kind of expensive. They're made out of nuts. It's great creamer. I love it. But man, if I could get an almond milk that tastes just like the one I use for my cream, that'd be awesome. But the older I get, the more arthritis I'm feeling in my hands. And that's mainly due from the injuries that I've suffered when I was doing security for 25 years. So I've gotten more fights and injuries than I can recall. I've been hit by a car, I've been stabbed, everything. But aside from that, I've got some injuries in my hand, in both hands. And I reversed my carpal tunnel syndrome, which I did all natural. And now, when I wake up, I start feeling some arthritis in my knuckles and in my hands. I don't know about you, if some of you guys have arthritis, it's really hard to make a fist in the morning. It's just, oh man, it sucks. So what I do all day, I don't take any drugs, any pharmaceuticals, but what I do is take turmeric. So turmeric's an Indian spice with a property called curcumin, not cumin, but curcumin, and it's got anti-inflammatory properties to it. Man, it's awesome. I love taking turmeric. Now, I have capsules with black pepper in them that amplifies the effects of turmeric. But I also, in the morning, I also take turmeric with my coffee. And that's what I'm getting to. I make a healthy coffee. Sometimes when I tell people about it, they go, oh, that sounds gross. It really isn't. If you put the right amount in it, it's not going to be like this massive, nasty taste, okay? So anyway, I'm going to show you guys what I do, okay? Coffee's great, it's great for the liver and everything, and turmeric's great for the liver. It's great for, like I said, pain, and it's great for relieving arthritis. I mean, if I don't take my turmeric, I'm going to feel it the next day or later that night. So let's get back to coffee, because it's afternoon and I always have my morning coffee, and I admit I have afternoon coffee. Got to have it. But I don't use sweetener. I only use sweetener in iced coffee. I don't know why, but iced coffee tastes great with sweetener. And I only use like a natural one, like an organic stevia or some xylitol or something like that. But I don't use anything like NutraSweet or anything like that. It's got to be natural. So let me change angles so you can get the coffee view while I make the coffee, and I can show you what I do. Stay with me. All right, guys, I got my turmeric ready to go. Let's pour the coffee in there. Everything lined up. Go about to there. because I got to put some cream in there. I'll let my Jason mask. It's my Friday 13th coffee mug. I think it's badass. But anyway. So you want to take your turmeric. Take a 1/4 teaspoon. Get in that coffee. You can do a little bit more if you want, but I would start out with that. Give it a good stir, because you want that to blend up good. So it's got a little yellow tint to it, but not too bad. I do use half and half, okay? I use this organic half and half. I don't drink milk. I do drink, you know, I have almond milk and stuff like that, but sometimes I'll use half of this and half of like almond milk. Cream just tastes so good in coffee. But yeah, I'll put the cream in there. And then I like to use a little organic cinnamon, put on top. Give it a little stir. That's it, guys. That's how you make some healthy coffee. That is some good coffee, man. That's how I do it, guys. That's how I make my coffee. But I just wanted to share that with you. I mean, if you got arthritis, some aches and pains, back, wherever, start getting on some turmeric, man. It's awesome. You don't need that aspirin, ibuprofen, none of that shit. I haven't taken that in, I don't know, over 20 years. I don't take nothing, man. I'm telling you, I do it all natural. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you, the turmeric that I use is also organic. And I buy it in bulk, and I'll provide a link in the description, video description, where you can get this turmeric at a great price. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'm Steve. I'll talk to you guys soon. Oh, please subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment. Just don't troll me. Thanks.